Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. There's a Toyota release on the 2023 Toyota Crown. So this news release talks a little bit more about the Toyota Crown, and it's going to be a really great sedan, or similar to an SUV in a way, if you could tell. It's a little bit higher and it's very unique. It's pretty much a bold statement. So you can see that it's heavy metal, and this one's in the limited trim, and you can see that there's a touch of black trim and heavy metal, which pretty much looks like silver to me in particular. So this bold styling and premium comfort and elevated height, that's what the article goes on to tell. And this one's going to be offering three grades for the Crown: XLE, Limited, and Platinum, and all with all-wheel drive. It's going to be two powertrains: hybrid powertrain standard, which was the first ever hybrid max, and actually or Toyota hybrid system. So the max is something new. It's a 2.4 liter turbo hybrid engine with rear eAxle for 340 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. This vehicle, of course, is going to be very quiet. It's very luxurious in a way too. Standard adaptive variable suspension on the Platinum model. Platinum offers a unique bi-tone paint and standard 21-inch wheels. Toyota's all-new audio multimedia system with 12.3-inch touchscreen is standard. So you can look at this, has a Crown spelled out in the back, with the Toyota logo. And this is the front fascia. Front fascia still reminds me of the Avalon, I guess, in a way. So it looks pretty good overall. You probably could get something better, maybe say on the Lexus side, but this definitely is still more upscale than the Camry or the Avalon. So the pricing, MSRP starting at $39,950 for the XLE grade, $45,550 for the limited grade, and $52,350 for the Platinum grade. So expected to arrive in dealerships early 2023. So probably the first quarter of 2023. I could tell you this one looks very unique and very nice looking vehicle. So it's all-wheel drive, it's all hybrid, and you could choose the different hybrid trims. And that's the big news over here. And there's actually a lot of different Toyota Crowns out there, but this is the sedan that we get in the US. I guess they're trying it out first. The Hybrid Max comes with a 2.4 liter inline 4-cylinder turbo engine, tuned to hit peak torque between 2,000 and 3,000 RPM, with a front electric motor and helps maximize torque production. A rear wheel eAxle includes a high output water-cooled electric motor coupled with the hybrid system to direct transmit force to all wheels. So, and let's start out and do some drives. You can see this one maneuver is pretty good, and it looks really good, and the wheels definitely stand out in this particular vehicle, including the front fascia. You can see. All right, so let's take a look at the interior here. So this is the interior of the Limited as well, and very luxurious. A lot of soft text in particular, and the layout, the infotainment screen is pretty big, I could say that. And the maps go all the way from left to right and very easy to look at. This is the steering wheel that looks really quite nice with the foam buttons on the left. On the right, you got the lane departure and such. You don't get a wheel shifter, but you get the ones that emulate the shift, I guess. And a close-up view of the steering wheel. All right, so it has normal, eco, and sports driving modes. So you could tailor-made to your specification which performance characteristics you want. So this is the shifter that they're using for the new models. All right, you have a place to put your phone, two cup holders. You notice that you got USB charging also in the front, and you got the Qi charger where you put your phone in. So this is pretty nice. Panoramic view earlier. You got brake hold, EV mode, and this is the temperature controls. Don't you like these buttons? I mean, like you see a vehicle, a lot of buttons instead of searching for what you need to do just to change the fan direction. So the two USBs, all right, USB-C. You can see that over here. Here's the view from the passenger side. And it's going to be a very spacious vehicle overall. You can see the interior over here. It looks pretty nice. It's not over the top like you will find in a Lexus or something like that, but definitely the price point is going to get up there pretty fast. You start adding all the options. And it's all-wheel drive, by the way. So that's a nice thing to have. Full-time electronic all-wheel drive adjusts between a 70-30 and 20-80 front and rear wheel power split depending on the driving situation. So that's something else to note. Handling, right, and stability. While the Crown's overall height stands out, coming in at 60.6 inches compared to 56.9 inches for the Camry. So that's another thing to note. And this is look at the engine bay. Yeah, so that's pretty much the layout. Hope you like this video surprise of today. Really appreciate a thumbs up, comment, shares. Please leave it below. And I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.